Hello friends, welcome to Max Pro Tips tutorial how to recover deleted SMS from Android mobile. I will show you step-by-step guide to do this. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Do not skip this video, watch full video to understand how to recover deleted SMS. So let's start. First step is open the Play Store application. After open the Play Store application, tap on search bar and here type super backup and restore. Super backup and restore. Then tap on this and here is the application super backup and restore. So then next step is tap on install. Then this application will be start downloading. After this application is downloading, then it's start installing. So it takes some time to complete its installation process. So it takes some time to complete its installation process. Here is the its installation process is completed and app install in mobile successfully. So next step is tap on open. Open this super backup and restore application. Then tap on again OK and then go back. And then next step is here is the SMS option. So tap on SMS and then please tap on allow and then again tap on SMS, again tap on allow and again allow. Here is the difference option will be shown on next screen. Backup, backup conservation, restore, view backup, send to clouds, delete backups, delete all message. We need a backup of all our messages. So simply tap on backup all, skip this ad and here is the SMS backup. Simply tap on OK. Here is all messages backup will be stored in your mobile. Here is the backup store successfully. Then again go back and then tap on backup conservation. Here you see all backup messages that you deleted from your mobile. If you delete all messages on your mobile, here is the backup will be stored in your computer. You easily get all messages in your backup option. So here you delete all SMS, gets all details of SMS as well. If you want to print these details, here is the option, top right corner. You also print these messages. So friends, in this way, you recover the deleted SMS from Android. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any query related to this problem, simply ask me in comment section. I will answer there. Please subscribe my channel and do not forget to like this video. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.